Hey guys, are you having a hard time working from home? Is your bed your office? Are you still in your pajamas? Have you checked Facebook again? Are you still looking for that magical snack to appear in your refrigerator? Hey guys, I'm Mark Montano and I have a big announcement. I have a new book and it's called Get Off Your Ass, The Ultimate Guide to Working From Home. If it's 11 a.m. and you still have a cup of coffee in your hand and the television's on, then I really think you might get a kick out of this book. I've been working from home for 30 years and I have mastered getting all of my work done in a decent amount of time so that I have time to do the things I want in the evening. Spend time with friends, have a glass of wine, read a book, or catch up on my favorite TV shows. I know working from home can be a big challenge, and in this book, I am going to show you how to flawlessly get through your workday and stay on task so that you have time to do the things you want to do at night. Now, I have an exclusive with Amazon, so head over to Amazon.com and check out Get Off Your Ass, The Ultimate Guide to Working From Home, and let me help you flawlessly get through your workday as easily as possible.